I'm not usually one to be doing guitar videos for a YouTube challenge. I mean YouTube video, but we're gonna teach you how to do some stuff. I'm gonna lay you right there. Okay. 3rd fret, last string, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 2nd last string, this. Then you're gonna go. Then you're gonna have your this, you're gonna do that. You're gonna do this, and then you're gonna do that. I'm gonna stop making facial expressions. Then you're gonna do all on the 2nd fret for the bottom 3. Then on the bottom string you're gonna let go, and it's just those 2. You're gonna do 1st string 2nd. This is called a C. You're gonna do 2nd bottom string 1st, 3rd string top 2nd, and then 2nd string 3rd. You're gonna remove your pointer. Then you're gonna do on the 2nd string 2nd, 3rd string 1st, and then you're gonna put the rest of these on the 3rd bottom 2. You're gonna take off your index, or the one right, the finger right next to your pinky. You're gonna lift that up, or you're just gonna do this, but you're not gonna be playing that 2nd bottom string anymore on the 3rd fret. Do you hear a difference? It's a little bit more higher pitched. This is what it's gonna sound like all together. That's part 1. Part 2 in a little bit when I figure out the song.